Little motherfucker gonna try to rob me. Well, I'm gonna show you how we do it up here in Pinkies, nigga.
I wasn't trying to rob.
Shut up! Why I bust a cap up in your ass? Now what you done with Day Day and Rubber?
Day Day is my people.
Shut up! Now who sent you, nigga?
Nobody sent me.
Say another motherfucking and this shit is over.